Welcome. In today's tutorial, we will go over how to sign a form that you've received from Signashare in your email. So you can see right here, we've received a signature request from Truett Hudson. So the first thing you'll need to do is click on Review and Sign. Next, you'll click on Review and Sign. This is actually just a blank PDF with a request for my signature. Normally, your PDFs will be filled out with lots of information. So I have been assigned these spots to sign, initial, and date. So I can go ahead and put my signature here. Yep, that's great. And then I'm going to put my initials here. If I don't want to draw out my initials, I can also type them. I'm going to go ahead and say AT, and then it'll sign it for me. Click Sign. Then I can go ahead and date this. It is the 13th. And then if everything looks okay, I can go ahead and accept this document. And that's all. This will, once you've signed that document, the document will then be sent back to Truett Hudson through Signashare, and he'll be able to see that you've signed the document.